At the core of Maqueen Plus V3 is an intelligent control chip, running built-in algorithms that keep the robot moving smoothly along the track. Away from the line tracking environment, the onboard matrix laser ranging sensor begins scanning the surroundings. Featuring an 8x8 laser array with 64 measurement points, it provides approximately a 60-degree field of view both vertically and horizontally. By continuously collecting distance and obstacle position data, it supplies rich perception input for the robot's control algorithms, enabling avoidance and navigation decisions. Based on this real-time sensing, the robot detects height changes ahead and automatically avoids drop-offs. With the built-in line tracking algorithm, stable line following can be achieved with just a few lines of code. When navigating complex maps with multiple intersections, combined with intuitive block-based programming, Maqueen Plus V3 continues to accurately recognize T-junctions, crossroads, and various turn-and-straight intersection patterns. Maqueen Plus V3, engineered for intelligent robotics learning and development.